first Nana has to take it, and then you can see it. You want to sing her that song that you were singing this morning, Wadani? What does that mean?
It says la.
What?
It says la.
It says thank you to Hashem. Thank you to Hashem for a new day.
Yeah.
Yeah? Uh-oh, Pinchas. What's on your head?
A high chair.
Is that a hat?
Yeah.
No, you put it down. You're going to get hurt. Up. Say good morning to your sister. Where is she?
Yeah.
Say hi.
I want to see.
Rachel, say hi.
I want to see.
Pinchas wants to see the camera. Whoa. Nana's trying to keep it steady.
This is here. Oh, wait a minute.
Especially when Pinchas grabs the camera. Rachel, say hi to Nana. Wave hi.
That's a good idea, Pinchas.
Say hi.
Are you enjoying your breakfast?
What are you eating? You eating cereal?
Cereal.
And milk?
No. Let's
Is
see.
it yummy?
Waffle.
You
That's
see
a
Rachel
waffle.
in the camera?
Yeah.
Wave to her. No, not there. The
Wave
real
to
one.
The real Rachel. Blow her kisses. See if she blows kisses back.
I want to see me.
Rachel, where's Tati?
I want to see me there.
Where?
Yeah.
There?
No.
Where?
No.
Shul. Right,
Oh.
he's at Shul. Is he going to come back soon?
I want to see me
What are you
there.
going to say to Tati when he comes back?
You're not there, though. You're next to me. But
What?
if you get next to Rocco, I can
What are you
take
going
your
to say
picture,
to
too.
Tati?
I want to see me
What's
there.
your name?
Mom.
Rachel.
Go, go.
Rocco,
What
Rocco.
are all of Rachel's names? We have a lot of names for her, right?
Rachel.
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 Rachel Bachel is your nickname for her. What else? What does Mommy call her?
Rachel.
Racheli. What did you used to call her when she was a baby?
Rachel.
No, you used to call her Ra. Before you could say Rachel, you want to bite of Mommy's cereal? Is it good? Tastes better than yours? How come? Who's this? Who's this guy? Rara, who's this guy? Who's this? Elmo. You like Nana's new video camera, Princess? Yeah? Well, did we have a party here last night? Whose party was it? Baba Hana's? What do we sing to her? We had cupcakes. And what do we sing to Baba Hana? Happy to Baba Hana. How old was she? She was 82 years old. How old are you? 2. How old is Rachel? 1. No, you're 2. You're 2 and she's 1. Do you go to school now? Do you go to school? Who's your teacher? Marcia. And next year, who's going to be Rachel's teacher? Laura. When she's 2, she's going to get to go to school just like you. Who's in my belly, Pinchas?
Baby.
Who's baby? Who's baby? Is it a Feinstein baby? A Feinstein? Huh? What do you think? You think it's a boy baby or a girl baby? What do you think today? Rachel, what do you think? Is it a boy or a girl? A girl or a boy? No, it's not a boy? It is a boy? You think so? Oh, Pinchas thinks it's a boy and Rachel thinks it's a girl. Isn't that funny? Rachel wants a sister and Pinchas wants a brother. We'll see. When the baby comes out, we'll see if it's a boy or a girl, huh? Tell Nana what you're eating. Pinchas already finished his cereal milk. Now he's eating Mommy's cereal milk.
He's going to be big and strong.
You're going to be big and strong? You don't need a spoon? You'll just drink it the old-fashioned way? Yeah, okay. Did you get a haircut last night? Who gave you a haircut?
Mommy.
Bobby cut your hair? Did she do a good job? Did you sit still while she cut your hair? Like a good boy? We can't see you. We only see a bowl. Here, let me help you get the rest out. Who are your friends in school, Pinchas? You know their names? Who's the one that lives next door to us? Oh, but she's your friend from school, but she lives next door to us? And who else? What are the boys' names? Ernie? No. Pinchas, are you friends with Ezra? And who else? Who? I don't know who that is. You're being silly. How about Benjamin? What about Zahava, she's saying? I think you're right. That's her friend from music class, right? La 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 la, right. La 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 is music class. That's right. Rachel singing too? Are you singing too, Rachel? You want to go next to Rachel and you guys can sing together? Go next to her. La 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 la. Next door? You will when it's time for school. Rachel, sing Twinkle Twinkle. Kochavim. Sing it in English though, Pinchas. Let's sing it in English, Pinchas. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you up above the sky so high. Look, the diamond in the sky. More?
Oh,
All
is
done?
it all done? Oy. Oh, it's really empty.
You want more, Rachel? What do you want? More cereal? More milk? Milk? Who's that, Rachel? Where's Nana? Where's Nana? Wave to Nana. Say hi, Nana. Hi. Go, Nana, kiss. Too busy eating? You saw a cat outside? Really? What else? Scat cat.